leaves in your garden, how you can use them in 3 different ways: leaf compost, leaf mulch, and leaf mold. Leaves are a great way to add aeration to your soil, moisture holding capacity, improve your soil condition for life to grow in your soil, add nutrients, help prevent erosion, and help hold in moisture. Here I have some leaves that I collected from my yard. When you collect leaves to use in the garden, it's important that they're clean, pesticide-free, and free from animal waste. It's a great idea to shred them so it starts and progresses the decomposition process. You can shred them in a few different ways. One way is by using a plastic tote and a weed whip. I'm going to essentially blend the leaves up in this tote to get them shredded and ready to mix in my leaf compost. I'll start off with a smaller amount, get these broken down, and then we can slowly add more as they start to get shredded up.